Welcome to GuideGrid. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Alright, so first of all, go on Play Store or App Store and update your Instagram app to its latest version. Alright, after that, go on your profile, go on top right corner, click on these 3 lines. Okay, here click on Account Center, and here you will see this option under Profile and Personal Details, sharing across other profiles. If you have connected your Facebook to your Instagram, make sure you have turned off the option automatically sharing your post and story to Facebook, because sometimes most of the songs are not available on Facebook, so this affects your Instagram account also. Alright, if it doesn't work, log out and log back in on Instagram. Go again like you have on your settings, scroll down to the bottom, click on log out and log back in. If it also doesn't work, go on settings, open settings, go on apps, go on manage apps, open Instagram over here, and here click on clear all data. After that, uninstall Instagram, and after installing the Instagram, install it again and log back in with your ID. Now if it also doesn't work, that's because Instagram music isn't available in every region and some songs are restricted due to licensing agreements. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.